Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, transferring your XDC from Bitrue to Trust Wallet is a smart move for better security and control. Today, I'll walk you through this step by step in a quick, easy to follow guide. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Bitrue account with some XDC in it, and Trust Wallet installed on your phone or device. Double-check that your Trust Wallet has the XDC network added. It's crucial to avoid any transfer issues. Step 1. Open the Bitrue app or website and log in securely. Head over to your dashboard and find your XDC balance. It's usually under the Wallets or Assets section. Look for the XDC token. Next, select the Withdraw or Transfer option for XDC. This might be a button that says Withdraw or Send. Once you're there, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. Open your Trust Wallet, go to your XDC wallet, and copy the address. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Paste it carefully into Bitrue to avoid any mistakes. Now, enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer. Remember to check the network fees. They can vary, so keep an eye on your total cost. Review all the details one last time: address, amount, and fees, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so verify it and complete the transaction. After that, sit tight. Transfers usually take a few minutes, but it depends on network congestion. Once it's done, open Trust Wallet and refresh your XDC balance to see your funds arrive. And there you have it. That's how you transfer XDC from Bitrue to Trust Wallet in 2025. Always prioritize security by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.